G'day guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now I'm at a Turkish restaurant with my sister, who's on her phone at the moment, and we're going to have a little bit of a feast here. Sorry about the screaming kids. What I've got in front of me here is a mixed, it's a mixed doner, which is lamb and chicken, salad. That's an eggplant, no sorry, that's a carrot dip, eggplant dip. There's the awesome bread. My sister's having lentil soup with yogurt and the good old Turkish pizza, which I actually made sort of one the other day on my channel. So that's a late lunch. I tell you what guys, this if you never had Turkish bread, but I tell you, yeah, you never had Turkish bread in your life, it's out of this world. And my sister's going to chomp, I'm not going to put her face, but my sister's going to chomp into that soup. But there's my mixed doner. They usually have these on, they put this meat on kebabs and stuff like that, and get stuck into these dips. So that's our late lunch. Just thought I'd upload it. Food, why not? Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.